Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'll just be demonstrating this code I made for the Microbit smart car. Microbit, which is called the smart car. I use the cardboard lo-fi robot website for the code. For the strings to send to the robot. Basically, the code checks the strings that are sent from the website to the robot, and it corresponds with some moving codes. Yeah, in here there are like some sort of joystick and sound button and some sliders, but we are not going to be using the sliders and the sound button. Instead, we're going to be using the joystick primarily. So basically, if you press the up button, of course, it will go forward and it will stop. If it goes backwards, of course, it's gonna go backwards. Same goes for left and right. You can play with it however you want, like that. It basically moves around when you press the joystick, according to, of course, where you press it. This doesn't use any if like this is pressed, but it uses strings to communicate with the website and to the microbit code in order to move around and do the code or run the code. It also uses Bluetooth from the website to the microbit, so it would connect from the microbit to the website. There's a lot going on here, but let me simplify it for you. It's basically just Bluetooth connecting from the website and using some extension. In conclusion, you can just press and simplify it. Just press these 4 buttons to go around and around, to whatever you want. Of course, you can, if you press left and right, it doesn't just go left and right, but it spins left and right, so you can go left and right like that. I think that's all for me. Thanks for watching to the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'll be giving a tutorial on how to make a smart car or a code for a smart car utilizing the lo-fi robot website. And so first we could just open the Microbit make code website. Sorry if it's lagging a bit since it's school Wi-Fi. What did you expect? Now you can just open it. Now grab new project, smart car, create. Now we should have some stuff, but it's not what we want. So to make this more better, search project or enter URL. Search something called Bluetooth. This one, Bluetooth services. And remove. That should appear when there's an extra extension that's opened. So we will use Bluetooth to connect to the website. If we want to know if it's connected or not, we could give a signal or an icon that shows that it hasn't been connected. First, so on start, find a icon. I'll use the X sign since it means that the Bluetooth is not connected since it just started the code. If the Bluetooth is connected, it should show an icon that means Bluetooth has been connected. So it should be a checklist since it's the opposite of the X. And then if it's disconnected again, we need to add a code for it. which is on Bluetooth disconnected. It will run if the Bluetooth is disconnected, which is self-explanatory. You can see it. And so the X and checklist will indicate that the Bluetooth has been connected to the website. Now, you should find on Bluetooth, Bluetooth on data received new line. This will indicate that if the data is received, you know, uh, Bluetooth, I forgot one. There is one code called Bluetooth WAT service, which is Bluetooth that will connect to the website. Sure, maybe I think I should show you the website that we're gonna use today, which is the Lo-Fi Robot. Okay, for some reasons the website won't open. I am really sorry for that. So I think, wait, hold on. I think I made a mistake in here. So, oh, remove show icon and show Bluetooth. Change it with Bluetooth WAT service on Bluetooth. On more, in here, this one. Now, you could create a variable data received. Now, here, first you could place set data received to whatever was sent from the website, which will there will be a puzzle. I mean not puzzle, which there will be strings sent from the website to this variable Bluetooth will read until new line. The new line is from that website. And we could open logic and if logic this one equals string. These are for string booleans. These two are for strings and not numbers, so they won't work on usual numbers. They will work on data received. Now data received will equal to up, which is the string sent from the website. And so and there, hold on, there data received up. There we will find the code that will be used for Microbit. And I will get the code for the Microbit. Just give me 1 second. I'll get the link first. Alright, this is the code you'll be using. I mean, or the link or an extension that we'll be using for
What? No.
that we'll be using for the Microbit. Now, go to extensions, put project URL, this one. Anyway. Then, now you'll have the TinyBit code. In here, we will add car control run speed. This one. If up, of course, it'll mean forward.
Jangan ada fokus ke tujuan kalian. Cancel.
Gun control speed run will mean it will go forward, such as up. I mean, the Microbit, of course, can't go up. The up will be the forward of the car. So that means it will mean run. Run just goes forward with the speed of whatever you put in the barrel area, which will use 100. You can duplicate this, change it to down, and down means back. You can duplicate this again and change it to left. Left, of course, means left. We could repeat this until we get all 4 of the directions. But if you press it, it won't stop. But you need one more code to change it to stop, to make the car stop. Car control speed, stop. stop will have the speed, of course, 0. It will force any speed to go to 0.
Oh guys, come back again with me.
Like that.
And
And because
come back again to
of some errors and some errors on the website,
in here,
I can show you the Lo-Fi Robot website. So I think I should wrap it up there. Thanks for watching to the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.